4 things you need to know before going hiking in Slovenia. The weather changes fast. The mountains catch all the air from the sea. That's why the storms can pop up like that. Our mountains are mostly limestone, and thus meaning they are more fragile and unpredictable. The climbs are no joke. The valleys are deep, which means you will have to climb 1,000 meters or more from the valley to the peak. It's beautiful, but it's gonna burn. Don't be fooled by the calendar. The snow here can hang around well into June. Had people show up in shorts and trail runners only to find themselves knee-deep in snow. So check those trail reports and write in the comments where are you planning your next hike.